Welcome to a new video. In today's video, we will explain the one-way lighting circuit. The components of the circuit are very simple. Lamp. Holder who rides the lamp. I need a switch. The fourth thing we will use in the circuit is wires. It has two colors. One of them is black. Wire red. I consider the red color to be the line. Black was considered a neutral. The first step is to connect the neutral to the first terminal of the bulb, and it is done through the holder. I have two terminals in the holder. I will use one of them and connect the neutral to it. As we see it, now I have connected the neutral. After that, I will have a terminal of the holder. Let's connect it later. After that, I will begin to connect the line to the switch. It is the switch. I have two terminals. First terminal is L is written on it. This is what I will connect to line. Which is this place. After that, I connect the other end of the holder with the other end of the switch. I will use this wire. The first terminal to the holder. After that, the other side is connected to the switch. Of course, we have to connect well. This is very simple circuit wiring. The terminal of the neutral connect with lamp. The other end of the bulb connects to the first terminal of the switch. After that, the end of the one that says L on the switch is at the end of the line from the electricity source. Now I have the two wires who connect them to the source of electricity. Let's connect the power source and see the circuit. I am now connected to the power source. And start pressing the switch. We will notice that the bulb has turn on. If jet pressed again on switch, the bulb turn off and so on. It remains very simple, the lighting circuit and the one-way switch. Today we reviewed the lighting circuit for the one-way switch. With this, we have reached the end of the video, and in the end we hope to support the channel by liking the video, sharing and subscribing to the channel.